I was lonely in the silence, falling shadows into light. I was holding broken pieces, praying someday they'd fit right. Then you came without a warning, soft as sunrise on my skin. And every fear I kept inside started learning how to breathe again. 'Cause you saw the edges of me, the places I don't let them see. And somehow you love me there. You are where my heart begins, where all the hurt finally ends. You lift me up when I fall apart. You hear the truth inside my scars. Oh, I never knew love could feel like finding home within your arms. You are where my heart begins. I was running from the memories, from the ones who let me down. But you held me through the trembling, said I'm never walking out. Now I'm learning how to trust you, how to let somebody in. And with every step we take, I feel the world grow soft again. 'Cause you see the realest of me, the parts I was scared to believe. And somehow you love me there. You are where my heart begins, where all the hurt finally ends. You lift me up when I fall apart. You hear the truth inside my scars. Oh, I never knew love could feel like finding home within your arms. You are where my heart begins. So stay with me, don't let go. I'm stronger now because you know how to love the mess I've been. You turned my broken into hope again. Where my heart begins, where every dark turns into light. You pull me close, you pull me in, like you were sent to save my life. And if